In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your settings menu larger on Samsung TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the absolute best method to make your settings menu, text, and dashboard larger is to activate the built-in accessibility feature known as Enlarge. So what we want to go ahead and do is go ahead to our settings application and then go over to all settings. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down to general and privacy, and then go ahead and find accessibility, which should just be the first option anyway. Then go ahead and select, we're going to be in accessibility shortcuts, and locate the option which is known as Enlarge. Once you go ahead and find it, just go ahead and turn it on, and then we can that's it. It will literally be as simple as that, and you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet. But anyways, thank you so much for watching.